Why do you need forensics? You've been denied a loan mod. The loan mod you were offered raises your payments. Your short sale has been denied. You've been told you don't qualify. Your lender has a policy against modifying. You can't prove a hardship, or your hardship was not sufficient. You make too much money. You can't hold on any longer waiting on your lender. Your lender refuses to modify your investment properties. You are still current on your payments and can't get help. Your lender has claimed he can make more money foreclosing on your home. You think your foreclosure may be illegal. What is a predatory loan? A predatory loan put you on the road to foreclosure the moment you sign the loan documents. It consumes too much of your income. It can or will wipe you out. Most subprime loans are predatory. Most stated income loans are predatory. Most adjustable rate loans are predatory. Even a 30-year loan with a fixed rate where you provided documentation can be predatory. Loan mods. Loan mods were supposed to be the solution to keeping your home. Billions of dollars were given to the banks by taxpayers, that would be you, to keep homeowners in their homes. Do you remember those bonuses they paid themselves? You are getting sued by the bank instead of getting that loan mod you needed. Homes are foreclosed upon and auctioned off. Often homeowners lose their homes because they listen to the banker tell them the loan mod is still under review, or to just send those documents again and again and again. But why are you listening to the false promises of the banker who is suing them? Why won't your lender help? Lenders are bankers. They are about making money. They are not about help. They will modify your loan if it will make them money with minimal risk. They will choose some other way to get their money if you are too great of a risk. Foreclosure is a great way to get money. Selling your loan to another lender is a great way to get money. An insurance policy that may pay out if you default on your loan is a great way to get money. The lender wants money. Does your home still have equity? Have you missed far too many payments? Can your loan be sold to another lender? Is your loan violation free? Is there an insurance premium to collect? Are you still current on your loan? A yes to any one or a combination of these means that you are not necessarily going to get a loan mod. After all, there is a much better chance of getting money if you are removed from the equation or, if current, ignored. Forensics saves homes. There are many federal laws that lenders must follow when they issue loans. Predatory loans do not follow those laws. It is the lender's responsibility to handle and resolve any violations of TILA, RESPA, HOEPA, ECOA, and to address and resolve fraud when they are found in loan documents. Their licenses are at risk if they don't. Fraud and federal violations. Think about it. Would you buy a loan from a lender if it had a report on file of fraud and federal violations? Nope. You'd stay away from that because you don't want to inherit another man's mess. If you were the insurance company for that fraudulent loan, would you pay the bank's claim? Forget that. It's more than likely null and void now that the loan is fraudulent or violation heavy. Foreclosure often illegal. If the loan documents show fraud or violations of any of the federal laws, then that lender is going to have a very hard time making a foreclosure stick. If you're in foreclosure, the forensics can and have stopped it. If you're headed toward foreclosure, the forensics can and have prevented it. Still current on your loan? The facts. Lenders can't afford to lose your revenue. It is in their best interest to keep collecting your monthly payment while you churn and burn in the system, hoping for help. More than likely, you'll be denied because you don't really have a hardship. You'll be told that they are getting around to you, but first they have to handle the people with foreclosure auction dates. You'll be told there is no help for you until you start missing payments. This one statement has caused untold numbers of people to end up in foreclosure with their homes auctioned off. You can get help and still stay current. Investment properties can be saved. They are not exempt from federal laws. It is the in-house policy of the lender that has you losing your investment properties. It is amazing how fast those policies can be changed when the lender is shown the laws that he violated, not you. The laws are on your side. Unfortunately, your lender is not going to call or write letting you know that your loan has violations. Hello, Joe. Hey, great news. We just found out we broke several federal laws when we issued you that loan. So we're just going to fix this whole mess for you. Hey, you know one of the laws we broke? Well, it turns out you get free title to the place. Is that just terrific or what? So we've got that title coming to you in the next couple of weeks. Sadly, you are never going to get that call. Where's the money making in that? Use the laws to protect you. Hello, can you put me through to Mr. Loan Shark? Hello, Mr. Shark. This is Joe, and I've got some great news. We just found out you broke several federal laws when you issued us that loan. So we just need you to fix this whole mess. Hey, you know, we still want our house, and let's just negotiate some new terms. We've got a Tila representative on the job. They'll talk the talk with you. Is that just terrific or what? So we're really looking forward to your offer now that we can all honestly come to the negotiations table together. Tila Solutions. We are not a loan mod company. We are not on the lender's payroll. We are not on the government payroll. We are an audit company. We investigate your loan. We use those forensics to negotiate any one of the following for you: loan mod, loan restructuring, short sale or short refi, short payoff, deed in lieu. Trust. Who can you trust? Your lender tells you that he wants to help and then denies you and sends foreclosure papers. You paid him to take your home. Boston Globe reports that lenders don't want to modify loans. They find no profit in helping the distressed. The president tells you that your tax dollars, if given to the lenders, will help save your home. Only it turns out that same lender just sent you the foreclosure papers. And a little web search shows news articles revealing the facts. The bailout was about keeping the lenders in business, not helping the homeowners. Those bonuses must have been huge. The only guarantee. The only thing your lender guarantees is foreclosure. Temp mods rarely result in permanent mods. Permanent mods have been canceled by the lenders. Many mods raise the payments to astronomical levels. Homes go back to the bank after they collect a few more payments. Short sales have been denied, often after they were approved. Month after month, the foreclosures rise to record high numbers in cities across the nation, while the loan mod denials reach higher and higher levels. Yeah, but my lender says, I don't need anybody to help me. They will modify my loan for me. They even sent me a letter in the mail to warn me away from professionals who may try to help me. Excuse me? They're suing you or preparing to. I shouldn't trust any professional that wants to charge me money to modify my loan. You know, 'cause they'll do it for free. Yeah, you think so? How much money is the lender adding to your balance each month as you burn and churn waiting for the loan mod that never comes? How much is he charging you for the lawsuit he brought against you? How long before he disqualifies you for free and then sends you the foreclosure notice? Yeah, but what if he's telling the truth? Honestly, why are you trusting the guy who is threatening you with a lawsuit if you don't pay or has already started suing you? Of course you need a professional. Why doesn't he want you to get one? I'm not sure, but I don't think they want me to investigate them either. They wouldn't actually come right out and say. Of course they don't. Why do they want you empowered? Game over. Who issued that loan? Why on earth would you trust or listen to a company that issued you an illegal loan while telling you how good it was? You know, the loan that is wiping you out now. Why on earth would you think they, who initiated the first lies, are not lying to you now? Why do you need an expert? Tila is the expert at forensic loan review. We work as your hired gun to show the lender all the violations in his loan. If you had a cavity, would you drill the hole yourself? If a judge told you that you didn't need a lawyer, he would listen to your case for free, would you do it? How could you conduct your own investigation and get the lender to accept it as a professional review? Even attorneys get a lawyer to represent them in court. If you don't get help, you may be okay. You may be one of the very few who actually get a mod. Or you may be one of the thousands who loses their home or continues to give the bank far more in monthly payments than you can honestly afford until the bank finally gets your home. Call us 702-508-0335. To date, every single loan the bankers issued and we have investigated has been full of violations. You don't have to believe us. You don't have to trust us. Just get your loan investigated. Trust the laws that were passed as far back as 1969 to protect you. Our program, we investigate. We negotiate. 2 steps that save homes. The nuts and bolts. Most forensics take approximately 30 days to complete. Most negotiations take 60 to 90 plus days to complete, depending upon the lender. We will halt, stall, or stop foreclosure if it is ongoing during this process. Discount programs, military background, practicing clergy, disability medical, AAA, multiple loan discounts. A refund policy if your loan is violation-free. Our purpose: to provide anyone with a mortgage an affordable solution that keeps them out of the courtroom and solve their financial crisis through standard investigations and negotiations. Loan mod restructuring, short sale, short refi, short payoff, deed in lieu, foreclosure reversal. The road to foreclosure is not for you. 702-508-0335. www.tilasolutions.com